Hi, this is Jay, the Gourmet Indian Chef, and I'm back at it today. I'm going to prepare one very simple, very easy, very quick to make chutney, one of my favorite chutneys, actually inspired by a chef in the UK. This is our ginger chutney. Come closer, let me introduce you to the ingredients. About 125 grams of ginger sliced. We have our crushed red pepper, pepperoncino, cumin seeds, tamarind pulp, black and white sesame seeds, and sugar. And voila, that's it. Let's get to making this beautiful chutney now. All right, now we're gonna start making our ginger chutney. We're gonna start by heating up a pot and add some sunflower oil, cumin seeds, now we're going to add on our sesame seeds. Give them a little stir. We're going to add on our ginger now. And add on our chili flakes. Crushed red pepper, chili flakes, pepperoncino in Italian, and give it a little stir. As I said earlier, this is inspired by one of my favorite chefs in the UK, Chef Vinny Bhatia. He was the first Indian chef to get a Michelin star way back when, in the early 2000s. There you go. And we are ready to go into the blender now. As always, we're going to start with the tamarind puree, the liquid first in the blender. And we will need a little bit more of the sunflower oil just to lubricate the chutney and to get the blender flowing. And now we're going to add in our ginger sesame seed mixture into the blender. With all this in there, we're going to add our sugar in there. We're going to go and blend the chutney. Start off at a low speed. And voila, our chutney is ready. Let's pour it out and give it a taste. At the Onion Tree, we serve this chutney with hopper sometimes. We serve it with our fried fish sometimes. It's a very versatile chutney, a dip that you can enjoy with anything. I would even try it on tortilla chips. I would try it with potatoes. Now we're going to give it a taste. Delicious, spicy and sweet at the same time. Oh my God, it's lovely. I highly recommend it. I'm Jay, the Gourmet Indian Chef, and I gotcha.